So the feds are set to speak in just an hour and a half. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBut Solutions, and this is your friendly reminder. One of the things that I love to do on my YouTube channel is not just encourage beginner traders to, be aware of, yes, great opportunity, but also to be aware of risk and how to manage it. The feds are going to be meeting, and first I actually got a pretty funny comment. I find it funny because I understand if you're just getting into the market, it might catch you off guard. So I said the feds yesterday, which is what they're referred to, right? The Federal Reserve. This is where Jerome Powell is the head chairman. But when I said the feds, someone commented and said, what does the FBI have to do with the stock market? Why do they get to raise interest rates? I just thought that was like the funniest thing because I guess that's all we really do know of like the feds in that sense. But no, this is the Federal Reserve, the only tool that they can really use to be able to manage and mitigate inflation is raising interest rates, right? With that being said, they're going to be meeting at 2 p.m. Eastern time or 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. I will be live streaming that here on this YouTube channel, so make sure that if you want to watch it, subscribe and turn on your post notifications. I did also want to let you guys know that Jerome Powell, which is again the head chairman, doesn't actually speak until 2:30 or 11:30, which means that this live stream, I originally was only going to go live for about 30 minutes, but now it sounds like I should be going live for about an hour. But let me go ahead and start sharing my screen. TQQQ is up 5.6% on the day, and a lot of other stocks are up quite a bit. The reason that I'm making this video is first off to share with you that if the feds raise interest rates today by 0.75%, that will be the first time in my lifetime, barely. It's ever since 1994 that the feds that was the last time that they've raised interest rates 0.75%. And this is already kind of factored into the market. This is why we saw the market sell off on Friday, because the CPI data was so bad. And then the reaction of the realization really on Monday when we just began to realize that, wow, the feds are going to have to take a more aggressive approach in raising interest rates. With that being said, this video is just to let you guys know that yes, in about 1 hour and 30 minutes, we will be going live and the feds will be speaking. But I also like to remind our beginner traders that now is the time to prepare, not when the market is selling off, if the market is selling off. I'm not here to say that the market will sell off, but as we've seen for the past 5.5 months, it's just been very bearish. So if you, again, this is kind of like a hard thing to make sense of. You need to do the math. If the market were to sell off 10%, can you tolerate it? If you can, then you might not need to reduce your position size. But if you can't, and or if you're fully invested and maybe you don't want to be, it's not just about, well, what if it goes up? That's not really the concern. You can always jump back in. The concern is if you don't sell and then you're down 10%, can you tolerate the time that it will take for the market to recover? I personally think that it's only a matter of time for the market to recover, and this could take months, this could take years, and that's much easier said than done. I just want to make sure that as a beginner trader, you are aware of the position that you are putting yourself in. I just want you to be given a warning, and that's what I like to do here on my YouTube channel. I like to warn you, not just of, hey, this is a potential great opportunity to make money, but also, hey, this is a very important meeting that's going to be hosted in about 1 hour and 30 minutes. Maybe reducing the position size and managing your risk, right? I don't feel like enough people encourage beginner traders to manage their risk or to take their downside into consideration as much as I would like to see. So this is just your friendly reminder. I hope that you guys appreciate that. I hope that I earn your thumbs up. I'm pumped for this live stream. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay connected, we have over 40,000 people within my free trading group chat. If you want to join, it is for free. And it's the first link in the description of this video. So make sure that you join, right? Also, I do trade live every single day. I'm not too sure if you've heard me talk about them. It's the Learn Plan Profit Group. Monday through Friday when the market's open, I'm there live for about 30 minutes to an hour, depending on the market activity. And if you've ever wanted to see what it's like to watch me trade live, take 2 minutes, click the second link in the description of this video and learn a little bit more about my Learn Plan Profit Group, which is the only group that I work with on a closer basis. Just a little heads up, there's a bunch of fake accounts of me everywhere on Twitter, over email, Facebook, Instagram, Discord. I never trade for you. I never ask you for money. I never manage Forex funds or crypto funds. I never message you through WhatsApp. Those are all fake accounts. I have one Instagram account and it's linked in this video. I have one YouTube account and it's this one, and I never message you. There's fake accounts that respond to my comments. There's fake accounts on Instagram that reach out to you. Please know, in the most respectful way, I will never message you first. And I mean that in a very respectful way. I will answer any question that you ask me, but I never initiate the conversation, and I hope you understand that. I appreciate you guys' time. I'll see you guys in about 1 hour and 30 minutes, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.